Fuck that. 8 doobies to the face. Fuck that. 12 bottles in the case.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make spaghetti squash. So in this clip right here, I am just scraping out the insides of the squash and separating that and the seeds. Okay, so I separated out the seeds because my brother likes to roast them in the oven and then eat them like sunflower seeds. If you want to see a video, comment down below. Enjoy this next part of me and my little brother. You're in the video. Oh, hey guys. Making spaghetti squash seeds. Very delish. Yeah. It's bad. The seeds are still good. What are you doing? Doing olive oil. Yeah, you have to put like olive oil and salt and pepper on these. Yeah. That's what you have to do. You have to filter them out and you put salt and pepper on them. This olive oil. Get it now in your local Whole Foods, kids. Your local Whole Foods? Yeah, local Whole Foods. Because that's where we got it from, right? I got these from Publix. Oh, well, get it from your local Publix. Sponsor us. And sponsor us. Make a cooking with me. Huh? You should make a cooking with me. That's what we're doing. Oh, cooking with me, no. Cooking with me, no numbers. What? Cooking with me, no numbers. Because usually the first cooking will be without any numbers, and then the second one will have 2 in it, right? So, cooking with me with no numbers. I don't know how this video is gonna go. Hopefully it goes good. Yeah, I hope it goes well. Okay. So, after you're done putting salt, pepper, and olive oil on it, you are going to put them in the oven at 350. Okay, so after seasoning the squash with pepper, salt, and olive oil, I put them in the oven on 350, but instead of facing them like upright, face them like down so they'll cook faster. Also, I set the timer for 30 minutes. Take you to the mall and get you a new outfit. Girl, that's just some child's play. Bounce that shit like heard all of the stories about you, I already know, and I like it. Take you to the mall and get you a new outfit. Girl, that's just some child's play. These are the seasonings that I use for the chicken. Most of these are Kroger brand, and then of course pepper, the salt, lemon pepper, and garlic sauce. And this is like the chicken. Why is it moving? Oh crap. Okay. Here's what the chicken looks like. It's done. Okay, so I showed you the chicken before, and then this is the squash after it's been in the oven. I would say it's been in the oven for like 45 minutes. And how you know like when it's ready, when it like pulls apart like that, like it's like really soft, just like breaking apart and like that. And the inside of this I showed before, but I seasoned it with olive oil, pepper, and salt. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put the chicken and the squash together, and then I want to put cheese on top of it. I'll show you the cheese in a couple minutes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Is it hot? No. Okay, this is what it looks like when it gets out of the oven. And we're just gonna like scrape it, I guess you could say.
Thank you. Thanks, Ray.
Thanks, baby.
Motherfuckers drunk and tired.
Tired, but I'm tired, boss.
Hey, this for you, babe. You know who I'm talking to.
This your favorite song,
Your song.
when they put it on.
It on.
Girl, I know you know it's all about you.
No, you know it's all
I
about
ain't saying no names, but you know what I'm saying. I could tell it by the way that you move. Calling all the cuties to the floor right now. It's a lot of booty on the floor right now. Take it to the bus, we can go right now. We can roll right now, right now. There's some pretty titties on the bus right now. At a hotel, we pulling up right now. Elevator up, take a ride right now. Baby, ride right now, right now. Got a room full of fly girls. Got a thing for a shy girl. Don't you wanna be my girl? It's all about you. Get up on it like you should, girl. Cause I love it when a hood girl. Turn around and be a good girl. This your favorite song, when they put it on. Girl, I know you know it's all about you. I ain't saying no names, but you know what I'm saying. I can tell it by the way that you move. Yeah, I bet you think this song is about you, don't you? I bet you think this song is about you. Yeah, I bet you think this song is about you, don't you? I bet you think this song is about.
Fuck that. 8 doobies to the face. Fuck that. 12 bottles in the case.